Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Danielle here, and today is part 2 of unboxing this vintage haul that I only got for $100. If you haven't seen part 1, I'd highly recommend just pausing right now and checking out the first part. I'll leave it up here in the cards and in the description box down below, because I came across so many gems, especially if you're a lover of leather. Oof, I got so much. But just to recap, I pretty much found a reseller on Facebook Marketplace, and because of the pandemic, she couldn't sell anymore. So she got rid of all her inventory for only $100, and I was the lucky buyer. So today is gonna be unboxing maybe like 2 boxes. I don't want to make this video too long because I know it could be, you know, a little overwhelming showing piece after piece after piece. But let's get started with our first box. We still have so much more to unbox. We have a total of 5 boxes and 1 bag. I absolutely destroyed this already. But let's just get started with this top one here. I am already seeing like a ton of red. So really stoked for this one. Let's see what's in here. Ooh, okay, so this is absolutely perfect for the season. It's giving me like total Christmas vibes. Is it my style? No, but I think it's really fun. It plays with color. It's kind of like tacky chic with the sequins and the embellishments. But let me bring you in closer. Yes, totally reminds me of a present that you would like unwrap on Christmas. And this is the brand Jade, and it's a size small, and it's a wool blend piece, so that is cute. And it does have shoulder pads, so it's definitely going to give you a little bit more silhouette. We have another red color here, but this one's like a bit darker. Ooh, okay, I like this one. This is the Club Room. It's a size large, and it's 100% wool, so it is a little, like, it's still soft, but it does feel a little scratchy. It's just a classic like darker red burgundy color V-neck sweater. Oh yes, I love this. And I feel like this is totally in right now with like a collared shirt underneath and a pleated skirt. Yes, so freaking cute. Let's see. Ooh, this one I do remember from one of the pictures, so I'm really stoked about this. And it's another cardigan. So it's red again, and it does have like a printed front. Again, more shoulder pads. Yeah, this is pretty cool. I love how playful it is too. And this one does seem to be more of a longer length, like it'll go a little past my butt. You guys, okay, absolutely love this piece. Oh my freaking gosh. You guys, look at this pretty little vest. Actually, you guys, we ran into a piece that kinda is damaged. I'm gonna try to repair this myself, but I feel like it might be a little too noticeable because look at that. Oh no. But this is such a freaking cute piece, and I love little details like this where the buttons are literally in shape of flowers, and it has little floral embroidery, anything with cable knit construction. I love those little pretty subtle details. I think it's super cute. Let me bring you in a bit closer so you can appreciate these buttons. How adorable is that? Okay, we're running into some black and purple here. So we have this jacket here. It is giving me color, it is giving me bold, and it's velvet construction. It's the brand Melrose Petite. So this one's definitely playing with geometric shapes. Another piece that has like super detailed buttons, and it does have more of gold accents. Let me bring you in closer so you can check out these buttons. They're super cool. Kind of have like a floral detail to them. Next up, we are playing with some florals. Oh no, I don't know how I feel about this. Okay, actually it's pretty cool. Kind of-ish. So this is the brand Cotton Express. It's a size medium, but it just has this like really funky floral print all throughout. Ooh, so this one has oversized sleeves, so it does play with that really like relaxed fit. And I don't know how you guys will feel about this, but it's another piece with colorful sequins and beads. Yes, look at this. Another piece that I remember from the photo, and I'm really loving this color combination of like pink and purple. So we're seeing it in this sweater here. Oh yes, I think it's super awesome. It kind of plays with like a geometric feel. It's beaded, has little studs everywhere. Oh yeah, this is a playful one. So let's take a look at this one. Again, another like purple and pink combo. Ooh yeah, I like this. Let's see, what is it? These little details kind of look like little paw prints, so that's kind of cute. So this is giving me like an abstract paisley print, but very minimalistic at the same time. Ooh, a neutral color now. What do we have? Let's see, a little zip jacket with a turtleneck with an all over print. Oh yeah, this is pretty cute. This color combo is very like rustic, focusing more on like greens and oranges. So yes, this is perfect for fall. Reminds me of like trees with changing leaves. That's super pretty. Okay, what do we have here? We have a velour piece, and let's see, The yoke has these like gold bow details. Oh no, I don't know if I like this one. Is there a matching pant set? Doesn't this look like it have like a matching pants to go with this? It does have slight shoulder padding, but I don't think it's gonna be anything like super exaggerated or dramatic. But I don't know what to think about this. What do you guys think? Are you into this? I like the color for sure because I feel like it complements my skin pretty well, but I don't know about the bow detailing. Okay, we're down to the last few pieces of this box, and we have a funky little vest here. Okay, we're definitely playing with prints, playing with some color, but it's just a button front vest, sleeveless. It does have this adjustable buckle here on the back. Very eccentric too, so if you're into color and prints, also very detailed buttons again. You guys, I'm definitely gonna post this on my Depop. Ooh, this is very pretty. This is by Carol Little for St. Trope West. It's a size medium. Okay, let me bring you in a little closer here. There we go. Look at this detailing. It's actually very pretty. I love delicate little styles like that. And we are down to the last piece of this box, you guys. They stuffed a lot in there. Okay, so let's get that out of the way. And oh yes, a sweater vest. This is by Via LA. But look at this print. Yeah, I'm into it. I think it's super cool. I'm not sure how these sleeves are gonna fit though, because it does look like they're gonna slouch over a bit. Okay, we are done with that box. Let's move on to another. And I'm seeing a little bit of fur here. Let's see. Ooh. Aw, okay, I'm seeing more dark colors in this one. Oh no. Oh no, no, no. California Design by Dorothy Samuel. Okay, definitely am not a fan of this dress already. We've just got this long, I'm assuming this might be like a midi dress, a dark gray color. We've got major shoulder pads. The sleeves are rib knit construction, and it has a little surplus neck here. Not gonna lie, but this kind of gives me Hunger Game vibes. There's just honestly not much to it. Let's see, we've got another dark item here. Ooh, another dress. Ooh, this one's interesting. Okay, let's see what we have here. Oh yes, I'm into this one. The bodice is a little nude, so not sure how it looks well with my skin color, but look at this. Kind of gives me like schoolgirl vibes, but this is a really cool piece. It also has a little chest patch pocket. Let's move on to our next item. Another dark piece. No, I don't think we're gonna have any gems in this box, but we do have this like very flowy, waist-free dress. Although I will say, I do like the sleeves. They are a 3/4 length sleeve, and I like how it kind of puffs up a little bit, and it is like semi-sheer, so that's very pretty. Something I'm not a fan of though is this very like cage strappy detail, and honestly just the material's giving me like Forever 21 quality. Does it even have a brand? Oh, well that explains a lot, you guys. It's actually Wet Seal, so this is definitely not vintage, but maybe it was just one of those pieces that she wanted to get rid of and she just tossed it in. Let's see. Ooh, okay, I'm excited for this because we've got some pink. So this is the Totes coat assembled in Costa Rica. It is very loud. You guys hear this? Definitely will not go unnoticed, but it has a little frill trim neck, a button front closure, and a waist tie to cinch the waist. Okay, this box too is like totally stuffed, you guys. We have so much freaking clothes in here. Okay, let's just get through it. Look at how delicate and adorable this little cardigan is. I think this is super cute. It's totally lace construction. Again, we're playing with this little frill detail on the cuffs and on the neck. Oh my god, that is so adorable. I love that. Okay, so we have a piece here that is giving me Burberry vibes, but is definitely not Burberry. And what are you? Let's see, it looks like it's just a zip jacket with a plaid print here on the front, and I think it might be reversible. It is super cool. So it looks like this is the brand Barber, which is actually a brand that I write copy for at work. On one side, we do have like just a plain beige color, and then the other side is this cool print. But yeah, nothing much to it. Long sleeves, front zip closure. It has zip pockets on the front. Oh wow, you guys, we just ran into some pastel colors, and this is the brand Teddy. I do see this brand a lot when I'm out thrifting, and I know I like it for sure. Oh yeah, what a freaking fun piece. I love all these colors. Pastel pink and blue are some of my favorites. But we have a spread collar. I'm already feeling a bit of shoulder padding in here, a zip closure, just long sleeves, and yeah, they're dolman sleeves, so it's definitely gonna have that like super relaxed fit. But oh yes, absolutely love that. Let's see, let's move on to our next piece. Oh no, I don't think I'm gonna like this. So far it seems like I haven't been a fan of the darker colored items. Oh yeah, no, definitely do not like this. We have a turtleneck, long sleeves. It has like this knit bodice. I'm personally not a fan of it. I feel like it's fashion for more mature women. So no, let's just go ahead and move on. And we have another dark piece. Ooh, another sweater vest. Oh no, it's a dress. It's just a knitted dress. This is by Ambience Apparel. It's a size medium. Just has a crew neck, short sleeves. Not much to it, solid color. Okay, we ran into a fun piece now. Look at all this color, the color blocking. Oh yeah, super fun. Okay, this is the brand Delta Burke collection. Yeah, this one is super playful with all the colors. It is a zip front. It has little studs and jewel embellishments everywhere. The banded trim here. Look at the hem, look at the cuffs. They're actually a gold stripe detail. Oh yeah, this is just such a little wild piece. Ooh, we ran into another pink one. This is, again, another freaking pretty piece, but it's just a cropped little sweater. It looks like it is a long sleeve, but on me, it's a little bit cropped. But it does have this laser cut detail here on the front. This one is catching my eye, so let's pull this one out. Ooh, it's a long one. Ooh, this one is so freaking cute. Okay, so this is the brand Stanley Blacker. It's a 8 petite. It just has a notch collar, long sleeves, a button front with little front patch pockets. Oh yes, it's gonna be so cute. I hope this fits me, but love those buttons. So adorable. Let's see. We have a black blazer. It just says made in Italy. I watch so many thrifters on YouTube who love wearing men's blazers over fits, but honestly, I just don't like that silhouette. I don't really like that boxy fit, but just feeling the material, you can tell that it's really good quality. Next up is this orange piece. What is this? I'm thinking it's a little jacket. That doesn't look very flattering, does it? I'm definitely a fan of the color. I love that it's linen. It makes a good little layering piece just to like top off an outfit. Can't go wrong with that. Ooh, this one is so freaking pretty. It is the brand Nikki Originals. It's a size 10. Look at how freaking elegant this looks. Oh yes. I don't know, is that supposed to have an ombre effect, or is that just like all the dirt and sweat that's collected over time? I mean, it kind of looks cool, adds a little bit more character, but I think what definitely steals the show are the little pearl buttons. We're down to, I think, our last two pieces, and I'm seeing polka dots. Ooh, okay. It looks like it's just a little lightweight jacket. This is very cute. It has like contrast drawstring. I'm usually not a fan of unlined jackets, but I mean, I love that they're lightweight. I said it in my other videos, but I'm usually not a fan of polka dots. I just feel like it's a very generic print, so I try to stay away from that. But it looks like we have another one. I think it might be the same exact style and silhouette, only a different color. And this time we've got a red one. I do like this one a bit more just because of the red, but the polka dots, why? Yeah, it's literally the same thing. We have a little storm flap detail here, which makes it look super cutesy. Okay, but enough with the polka dots, so let's move on. And we are down to our last two pieces. Yeah, not much to it. Okay, so let's move on. The last piece. Hit the bottom of the box, and oh, is this actually Forever 21? Have you guys ever seen this tag before? I've never seen that. That looks pretty awesome. But this jacket's pretty cool actually. So it is a crop length. Again, another piece of this 3/4 length sleeve. It plays a lot with the polka dots and the ruffle detailing. Look at all these frills. I think that's kind of cute actually. Even though it's very feminine, I feel like you can style it to be a bit more grunge and a little bit more gothic. So I'm gonna try that route. You guys, 32 pieces of vintage clothing later, and we are here at the end. So if you made it this far, thank you so much. But if there's anything that isn't listed on Depop, it's most likely because I didn't like it or just really wasn't my style. But if you really want it, let me know and I will post it on there for a hecka cheap for you guys, because I do want to find permanent homes for these clothes. Otherwise, I'm probably going to donate them to a shelter or even Goodwill. If you liked any of the pieces, give this video a big thumbs up. Also, if you want to follow me throughout the week, I do have an Instagram. I am an Eggy Girl here, and I also have my Depop, of course, which is at Turtleneck there. Besides this clothes, I'm also going to be dropping 13 mystery bundles. As always, I post videos twice a week. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!